Okay, so you've just learned about several different types of courses, and one of those was the prerequisite course. Now I want you to apply that knowledge to your course plan. So the first thing I need you to do for this assignment is to get out your baccalaureate degree plan or your community college program check sheet if you're planning to transfer to a different community college rather than a four-year university. But you'll need that document, either your BDP or your program check sheet. And you're going to want to make sure you're familiar with this document, which by now you should be. So just as a review, for this particular BDP, you'll see the North Carolina Community College course, or your community college courses are on the left here. And then you'll see that for your university, in this case ECU, the course equivalent is on the right. So ECU is requiring English 1100 to earn a Bachelor of Science degree in elementary education, and the course equivalent at the community college level is English 111. So what you need to do is you need to make sure which of these courses that are required require a prerequisite. So if I know I need to take English 111, I need to know, does English 111 have a prerequisite? And if it does, I need to plan for that. I need to make sure that I've included that course in my course plan. So to complete this activity, you're going to need to have the BCCC college catalog open. And what we're gonna do is we're going to go through each one of these courses, and we're going to check the college catalog to see if it does have a prerequisite or not. And if so, we're going to include that in a list. Now, just in case you've forgotten how to get to this community college, our college catalog, you're going to, from the home page, you go to our programs, you can go to programs home, and then on the right, you're going to select catalog, and then you're going to select all courses. And so in this search box, you're going to type in any course that you need, and it should pull up. It'll give a description of that course, and then it will also list any prerequisites. So I'm going to go through just a few to show you, just for an example. So English 111, I don't think that there are any prerequisites, but I want to make sure. So I'm going to open up my college course catalog, and I'm going to type in English-111, and I'm going to click search. Here it'll list prerequisites here, and you'll see that there are none listed. So for English 111, there isn't a prerequisite. Now you may need to check with your advisor as to your placement, test scores, things like that, but that's something that you'd work with your advisor about. The next course is Psych 150. So I'm going to kind of have both of these tabs open. I'm going to toggle back over to the course catalog, and I'm going to type in Psych-150. No prerequisites. So far, so good. The next course is Health 110. I'm going to search that one. So this assignment shouldn't take too long. I can see the course description, the credit hours, and there are no prerequisites listed here, so we're good on that one. ACA 122, I know that's one that you're supposed to take your freshman year, but let's just check. Oh goodness, that didn't work. Let's go back to all courses and go to ACA. And I'm just going to scroll down and find ACA 122, and there are no prerequisites. The next class is Art 111, so we'll check that. No prerequisites. Math 171. No prerequisites. And then we're going to go down here to English 112. English 112. This course does have a prerequisite. I can't take English 112 until I successfully pass English 111. So what you're going to do for your assignment is click on Write Submission, open up that text submission box, and you're going to just start a list. So I'm going to say English 111 prerequisite. I'm just going to abbreviate is English, wait, I messed that up. It's English 111. So the prerequisite for English 112, I've corrected that there, is English 111. So I'll just start creating my list. I'm going to go back to my BDP. I'm going to scoot down here to English 230. You're going to go through each one of these, but just for example, for this sake of this tutorial, I'm going to skip over some of these. You won't skip. You'll go through each one of these courses. But I'm going to skip down to English 231. I'm going to toggle back over to my catalog. Type in English 231, and you'll see English 231 requires a prerequisite. I need to take English 112, 113, or 114. Not all three of them, but at least one of those. So if I've already taken English 112, I'll just type that in. And you know what? Let's just see if we can copy and paste that to make this. So I'm going to say English 231, the prereqs are either English 112, 113, or 114. And then you would just continue with this list. Once you've completed the list, once you've gone through each of the courses that's required, and here you can't, this is where later on when we create your course plan, you're going to be planning out these that aren't specified. But for this particular assignment, the ones that are required, that are listed here on your BDP, I want you to create a list in the Write Submission text box of those courses that require prerequisites and what those prerequisites are. This way you'll have this information when you begin to create your course plan. This will be a really helpful document for you. Okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm happy to help. Thanks, everybody.